Chriso. I'm at the stage now that I'm wiping this white grout off. I've done the whole wall and I washed out my washboard, so that's about the time I've left it. Go whatever way you want with a shiny tile like this. When you know, you can go round and round circles, up and down, whatever floats your boat. But you're always looking at your line, that it's nice and even. Wiping off a shiny tile, now I'm going a little bit lighter. I wasn't pressing super hard doing this, but a little bit of pressure. Looking at my grout line all the time, going for that evenness. They are the easiest tile to wipe off, a shiny tile with a 1.5mm grout line. Don't wipe your grout off too soon, because you don't want it. You don't want your sponge digging in. You want it as flush. Like years ago, before clips, the key was to have your grout flush as much as you could with the top of the tile, so it would hide lips. Well, now you don't have to worry, because everything's been done with clips and there's no lips in your tile. But your tiles these days are even flatter. Like years ago, a tiler was a tiler. I don't reckon tilers are tilers now, these days, anymore. Because you had to, years ago, you had to make a shit tile look good. Now you have good tiles and they're laser cut, and then you clip them together. So, sorry young fellas, but I don't reckon tilers are tilers these days. They haven't learnt the true art. Because back then you had to make a shit tile look good. It's all done for you now. But all the time I'm looking at my lines. and then you get a nice beautiful job. You see that line's a little bit mediocre, so we'll just pretty it up, and it's prettied up just like that. I thought a bit of clip was sticking out, but no, it was all good. See the imperfection there? I haven't quite got that right, which I've just noticed. That's why you always look at your lines. Always looking at those. I find too sometimes if I go up and down like that on the grout line, it brings it pretty nice. I noticed this from down there, a little bit of a imperfection. Grouting's not hard to do. It's easy to do. Just keep an eye out for what you're doing. That's good. And there you have your finished wool, people. Nice. Now, once that's not me, the owners do it. Once they wipe it off and it's beautiful and shiny, it's lovely and presentable. This is Chris O. Stay tuned. Keep leaning in, folks. There's heaps to learn. See you soon.